So first of all, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click share my screen. And you can see we've got our presenter mode at the side up here. So I'm going to click customize. I'm going to pick what I want as my background to this. This will be useful later on. You can see I've picked these nice colourful bricks, but there's a few different options there for you. For now, I'm going to stick it in presenter mode. I'm going to select our document as I usually would. With this, you can now see it's the same as we are used to having. I'm going to scroll up to the top, however, and I'm going to click one of these ones and show you what's new with it. And this is now how I am presenting to other people. And this is showing up in the Teams meeting. I am overlaid here. So you can see there's a box bounding us. So if I've got my arms like this and just move my hands apart, I reach a box over here and obviously over this side. And also going up, it cuts off around about there. So it's the same sort of box you're used to being within for Teams, but you can't see the boundaries to it. So if you're expressive like me, you've got to be careful to keep your arms within this box so it's not clear that it's cutting off. So our next one along is side by side. So side by side, it's changed again. This is where that background's come in. So now we can see the presentation that we've got, and we can see me here as well on the side. And then finally, we have reporter mode. So with this one, you get the box there, and it really zooms in on your face. And again, to show you the bounding of this box, obviously to the side, it's not much. Up above, there's not much give there. There's about a hand size above my head. And over to this side, you can go quite far before it cuts out. But this is a brand new, useful tool from Microsoft, and I really hope it helps you with your teaching.